blind spot warning systems enhance driving safety by detecting hidden vehicles, reducing lane change collisions, improving awareness, and providing timely alerts. My today's video is about top 5 best blind spot warning systems that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bluedex Blind Spot Monitoring 12V Change Warning Kit. This blind spot warning system is a practical safety upgrade for most 12V sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks. It uses dual 24 GHz millimeter wave radar sensors to monitor rear and side blind spots from approximately 1 to 32.8 feet. When a moving vehicle enters the detection zone, LED indicators provide immediate visual warnings. The alert system becomes more noticeable during lane changes. With the turn signal activated, the corresponding LED flashes and the buzzer produces 3 warning beeps. Hazard light activation also triggers continuous LED flashing and 3 audible alerts. This setup can improve driver awareness during nighttime driving, rain, snow, fog, and other low visibility conditions. However, installation requires careful attention, as the radar cannot detect through metal surfaces. Correct sensor positioning, height, angle, and wiring are essential for reliable performance. The included installation manual and radar alignment tool are helpful, but professional installation is recommended for the most accurate results. Now our second product is Beigist AI Blind Spot Camera Paired. This universal blind spot monitoring system is a practical safety upgrade for most 12V sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks. Its dual 24 GHz millimeter wave radar sensors provide a detection range of up to 32.8 feet, helping identify vehicles approaching from the side or rear blind zones. The multi-mode alert system is particularly useful. The LED remains illuminated when the turn signal is off, while activating the signal triggers flashing LEDs and 3 buzzer beeps to increase awareness during lane changes. Hazard lights provide continuous LED flashing with 3 additional beeps. The system is also designed to improve awareness in challenging conditions such as nighttime, rain, snow, and fog. However, professional installation is recommended because radar sensors cannot penetrate metal, and their mounting angle, height, position, and wiring directly affect performance. The included installation manual and radar alignment tool make proper setup easier. Overall, it offers comprehensive blind spot awareness for everyday driving. Our third product is Reto Easy Sports 12V Blind Spot Detection System. This 24 GHz blind spot detection system provides a practical safety upgrade for 12V cars, SUVs, trucks, and other compatible vehicles. Using one transmitter with multiple receivers, it monitors nearby traffic and delivers timely BSD warnings when vehicles enter the blind area. The combination of flashing LED indicators and buzzer alerts becomes especially useful when the turn signal is activated, helping drivers make more informed lane change decisions. Beyond standard blind spot detection, it supports lane change alerts, rear cross-traffic alerts, and door opening warnings, making it useful during merging, parking, reversing, and busy traffic situations. Its ABS and LED construction, combined with an IP67 rating, is designed to withstand rain, fog, and nighttime conditions, while the stated -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit operating range supports demanding environments. Installation is discreet, with the sensors mounted behind both sides of the rear bumper. Since it operates independently without an OBD connection, it offers flexible installation and broad vehicle compatibility. Now number 4, U-Think Blind Spot Sensor 12V 24 GHz Blind Spot Detection System. This 24 GHz blind spot detection system is designed to improve driver awareness with reliable monitoring and multiple warning functions. Its IP67 rated construction helps it operate in challenging conditions such as rain, fog, and nighttime driving, while the sensors mount discreetly on both sides of the rear bumper. With a maximum detection range of up to 15 meters, the system monitors approaching vehicles and provides alerts through flashing LEDs, turn signal activation, and audible buzzer warnings. Its 4-in-1 functionality adds versatility, combining blind spot warning, BSD, lane change alert, LCA, rear cross traffic alert, RCTA, and door open alert for broader everyday protection. The system operates on 12V power and uses a 24 GHz radar frequency, activating automatically after the vehicle starts without requiring an OBD connection. The included 2 BSD sensors and 2 notifiers support a practical installation setup. Overall, it is a useful safety upgrade for drivers seeking enhanced awareness during lane changes, reversing, parking, and opening doors. And our last choice is Keezyou 2 PCS Blind Spot Warning System. This car blind spot monitoring system is designed to improve driver awareness and enhance safety during reversing and everyday maneuvering. Its advanced millimeter wave sensing technology helps identify vehicles or obstacles entering difficult-to-see areas around the vehicle, providing valuable support when changing direction or backing up. The system focuses on comprehensive coverage, making it easier for drivers to recognize potential hazards that may otherwise remain hidden in conventional mirrors. Its precision-engineered construction is designed for dependable performance, while stable operation helps reduce the likelihood of unwanted malfunctions. The integrated warning mechanism can provide timely visual alerts, giving drivers an additional layer of awareness when navigating busy parking areas, reversing, or dealing with limited visibility. By combining blind spot sensing technology with a dedicated warning system, it serves as a practical driving assistant rather than relying solely on driver visibility. Overall, this system offers a useful combination of accurate detection, reliable operation, and enhanced situational awareness for safer vehicle maneuvering. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.